How to use ASOS tall, petite and curve sections. Well, if you open up ASOS app or if you head into ASOS web, you'll be able to see this right here. This is the option, right? Now, how to use the tall, petite and curve sections. Now, first you'll have to know which section fits you. Using the ASOS tall, petite and curve sections effectively involves understanding their specific height or size parameters, navigating to the size filters and knowing how they fit differs from the regular range. Now, designed for individuals that is 5'3", 160 cm and under, it scales down length, rise and proportion so clothes don't look baggy or too long. So what you can do to use it is simply proceed to select your product. So you want to buy bestsellers or view all or such, then you want to tap on filter and you want to filter by size. You can see here you can filter out your size here and then you can proceed to view it. So this way you can use these sections. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.